forward sensor array is showing an anomaly near the starboard wing.
Rerouting power now. We need to maintain stealth integrity.
Surface, begin the lift, slowly. Confirmed. Hold position. Okay, resuming the ascent, very slowly now.
Hold it there. Clear on the left. Bring it in another 5 feet.
We have stabilization. Alignment is green across the board.
Confirmed. Ready for securing the stands.
The corrosion on the turbine blades is extensive.
Yeah, we'll need to stabilize it before we try to lift the engine out.
Look at the extent of this pitting near the root.
It's worse than we thought. We need to check the neighboring blades too.
This joint here is completely compromised. We need the replacement schematic.
The tablet shows the original specs right here.
Okay, easy now. Take it up 5 feet.
Roger. Coming up slowly. Watch your side.
It's clear.
Okay, easy now. Just a little lower on your side.
Copy that, holding steady, we are aligned.
Roger, beginning torque sequence.
Right here, near the access panel, see that ripple in the coating?
Yes, logging it now. It is within tolerance, but barely.
All right, team, lift it steady. Watch the clearance on the starboard wing.
We need to double check the hydraulic lines right behind this panel here. The stealth coating alignment is perfect across all panels.
And the systems check out. We are fully mission capable.
Looks ready to roll.